Hi guys, it's Eileen here and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope that you enjoy my simple summer DIY, and if you do, I hope that you give this video a great big thumbs up. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you get notified of my future uploads to come. I hope that you like these two simple summer decor DIYs that I have decided to share. You will use 1 pack of your fairy lights from the Dollar Tree. I will also be using this jar with the nautical rope already wrapped around it from the Dollar Tree. If you cannot find this particular jar at the Dollar Tree, you can substitute a mason jar or other jar and simply hot glue gun around your twine or nautical rope to achieve the same look. In this DIY, you will use 2 packs of 6 of these decorative balls and 1 pack of the 4 decorative balls. This can be found in the floral section. And I'm using 3 jars with these mini seashells inside. I already had this particular glass bowl on hand, so it's going to be very simple. I'm simply going to fill my glass bowl with these beautiful decorative balls from the floral section at the Dollar Tree. Let them fall where they will. I have filled up my glass bowl with my floral balls, and I am now going to start emptying in my seashells into my jar with the nautical rope. I have now placed all of my seashells in the jar. I'm going to sit my jar in the middle of this glass bowl. Now I have already put the batteries inside my fairy lights. I am going to stick my fairy lights inside this glass. You'll have to finagle your battery pack just so that it's kind of hidden under the bowl. So from the front, you're not going to see it, but in the back, you could reach it to easily turn this on and off. I'm also going to throw in some of these rocks, earth tone color. This is just an earthy look that I'm going for. You're also left over with these 3 cute jars that I'll have to find something to do with. And there you have it, your beautiful nautical themed decor for the summer. Beautiful. Moving along, I'm going to use this decorative wall art I have purchased from the Dollar Tree and this nautical rope from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to combine these two to make this wall art just a little more cute. What you need for this project is all you need is a scissor and a glue gun. I'm simply going to apply hot glue to my frame. You're just going to add a bead of hot glue all the way around your wall art and apply your nautical rope. I have attached my nautical rope on the edge all the way around my frame here. And now what I'm going to do is attach 1 more row of nautical rope right here on top so that it has more of a little bit of a 3-dimensional look, and I'm going to glue that on now. I have attached my nautical rope and this wall art is coming together real nice. Now what you got to do is just simply flip it over. The frame does come with a hanger for your wall, but I have cut out a strip here of nautical rope that I am going to hot glue gun so I could hang it in place with my nautical rope. My wall art is complete. With the nautical rope, it really added that extra pizzazz to this Dollar Tree wall art, just for $2. Alright guys, that sums it up for these two Dollar Tree DIYs for summer. I hope you enjoyed my small tutorials for these ideas, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon for future notifications. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon. Bye!